In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for your projects in a step-by-step guide. Clickup is a fantastic project management tool that really lives up to its tagline as the everything app for work. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and get all your projects organized in one place, you've come to the right spot. First things first, visit the Clickup website by entering www.clickup.com in your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a welcoming interface with options to log in or sign up. Since we're jumping straight into managing projects, go ahead and click on Log In at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, but for a quick sign in, you can opt to use your Google account, making the process seamless and fast. When you click on the Sign In with Google button, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Select the Google account you wish to associate with Clickup. Ensure this is an account you're comfortable linking to your project management tasks. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Clickup workspace dashboard. From here, let's venture into setting up a new space for your projects. On the left sidebar, locate the plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to create a new space which acts like a main container for organizing your tasks, lists, and folders. After creating a space, Clickup gives you the option to streamline the setup by using templates. You'll want to click on the Use Templates option that appears. Templates are such a time saver as they provide a structured foundation that you can modify to fit your project needs. For organizing your projects, a project management template is a great choice. Type project management into the search bar once you're in the templates section and you'll see a variety of pre-made templates suited for different project types. Select the one that suits your needs and click on Quick Use. This will import the template directly into your new space. Finally, it's time to personalize your workspace. The template serves as a starting point and gives you a structure, but you can edit the created space and tasks to suit your project's specific requirements. Change task names, add deadlines, assign members, or integrate additional features Clickup offers. That's it. You've successfully set up a new project in Clickup using a template. Remember, Clickup is highly versatile, so as you become more comfortable, explore more features like time tracking, goal setting, and automation to optimize your workflow even further. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with Clickup.